The 2024 Volvo XC60 is available in the same trims we have seen on the 2023 model. The entry-level Volvo XC60 Core features dual-zone climate control, a panoramic roof, heated front seats, a premium sound system, and a slew of safety features. These include blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alerts, lane keeping assist, oncoming lane mitigation, and automatic emergency braking. Volvo safety technology works hard to try and keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like the video. The Plus trim adds leather upholstery, genuine wood interior accents, and a 360-degree camera view. This last feature makes parking in tight spots easier, a boon for drivers who find themselves in crowded parking lots or busy city streets. New for the 2024 Volvo XC60 is an air purifier on this trim. The ultimate trim gets laminated windows and new optional 20-inch wheels. This model also boasts front seat ventilation, Nappa leather upholstery, and the Volvo graphical head-up display. The new Volvo XC60 interior will be luxurious and spacious, just like the current and previous models. This convenient and family-friendly ride can seat up to 5, with the rear seats able to be folded down into the cargo compartment floor for versatility. The Volvo XC60 cabin is illuminated by natural light during sunny days, thanks to the panoramic roof. Your kids will love this feature during nighttime drives because this portal will allow them to gaze up at the stars and moon. While you won't be able to stargaze from the driver's seat, you will enjoy front seats designed with input from orthopedic systems. They can be adjusted in a nearly infinite set of ways so you can find a configuration that suits your body. Every 2024 Volvo XC60 features a touchscreen for controlling music and navigation. Since the vehicle is equipped with modern connectivity features, you'll have no trouble pairing your smartphone to your new luxury SUV. The music or podcast you select will play over a premium audio system that can bathe your cabin in sonorous sound. The 2024 Volvo XC60 interior is spacious, comfortable, and equipped with cutting-edge technology.